Let's classify triangles by side length and angle measure. We're going to sort our triangles by side length. You have a ruler on your desk to help you. Okay, let's start with triangle A. Okay, now make sure when you're using a ruler, you're using 0, not the edge of the ruler. Okay, so let's see. You probably could use either side if you wanted. However, you're going to just make sure if you use the inches side that you're using it the same. Okay, I'm using inches. Okay, 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. Okay, so, triangle A, they're all the same length. Triangle B. Okay, so 4, 5.5, 5.5. Okay, so angle B has 2 sides that are the same length. Okay, I'm putting them in piles too. Okay, let's look at C. Okay, that's 7.5. This is 5 and about 3 3/16. Okay, triangle C has no sides that are the same length. They're all different lengths. Let's look at D. Okay, about, it's not quite 7 inches. This one's 4. This one is about like 5.5. Okay, they're all different lengths. So I'm going to put C and D in the same pile because their sides are all different lengths. Let's go to E. Okay, 8 inches, 5.5, 5.5. Okay, 2 sides are the same length. So I'm going to put that with B. B and E together. Our last triangle, triangle F. Okay, that's about 7.5, 4.5, 4.5. Okay, so triangle F, 2 sides are the same length. So, triangle A, we have 3 sides that are all the same. C and D, the sides are all different lengths. And then I have F, B, and E, 2 sides are the same length. There are special names that we use when we know the number of sides that are the same on triangles. An equilateral triangle has sides that are all the same length. Isosceles, at least 2 sides are the same length, and a scalene, none of the sides are the same length. So triangle A was an equilateral. F, B, and E are all isosceles because they had 2 sides the same length. C and D are scalene because none of them are the same length. To show that sides are the same length, we draw a tick mark on the segments that are the same length. You will notice these are 2 videos. You may click on those if you wish to. If not, you can continue moving on. Here's what I mean by a tick mark. These 2 segments are equal, so you put just a little line. It's called a tick mark. Okay, so on an equilateral triangle, we'd see all 3 sides with a tick mark. On an isosceles triangle, we'd see 2 tick marks because there's 2 equal sides. And on a scalene triangle, we would not do anything because there are no equal sides. Triangles B, E, and F, they need just 2 tick marks because they are isosceles with 2 equal sides.